everybody and welcome back to SkillWeb. In today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to change the background color in Adobe InDesign. So let's begin the video. At first, open your InDesign document. To change the background color, we need to create a shape that covers the entire page. Select the rectangle tool from the toolbar. Click and drag to draw a rectangle that covers the entire page. Click on the Fill button and choose your background color. To prevent the background shape from moving accidentally, you can lock it in place. Right-click on it and select Lock. So there you have it. I hope this video helped you out. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at SkillWeb. This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.